Well, good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Drive Line Dispatch. It's a lovely day here in South Carolina. It's about the mid 50s, and it's just after 10:30. So today, you might hear my Jeep running in the background because I have to return this other Jeep at the end of the lease in just a couple of weeks. So I've been just starting it every now and then, because it's good to not let a vehicle sit for too long. So I've been starting it every couple days, and I just let it run for 15-20 minutes, and then it kind of shuts off. But today I'm going to be putting together a cargo carrier that I got for my Jeep Wrangler. My question is I don't know how much clearance we're going to have after the tire. Is there going to be enough room to have the cargo carrier on there and be able to put stuff on it? So the project this morning is to open the cargo carrier up, kind of look at it instruction-wise, and start building it, and I will bring you guys along. So stay tuned for that. So this is it. It's basically a Harbor Freight brand, but I've seen some good reviews online about it, and it's it carries 500 pounds, and it was pretty cheap. I think I paid $59 for it. So. Well, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great fit. Works great. I was worried a little bit about whether or not the tire would take up some room inside the cargo carrier, but it barely does. And I think it's a great added addition to my Jeep.